Welcome. If you want to give your Telegram group a fresh new look, setting a group photo is the perfect way to do it. Whether you're creating a new group or updating an existing one, changing the group picture is quick and easy. Let's walk through the updated steps together so you can make your group stand out. First, open the Telegram app on your device. You'll see your list of chats. Just scroll until you find the group you want to update. Tap to open that group chat. At the top of your screen, you'll notice the group's current picture, or, if there isn't one yet, just the group's initials. Tap on the group picture or the group name right next to it. This takes you to the group's info page, where you can view all the details about your group. Now, look for the edit icon, usually shown as a small pencil or similar symbol in the top right corner. Tap on this icon to enter the group's edit mode. This is where you can make changes to the group's settings, including its name, description, and, most importantly, its photo. Next, tap on Set Photo, or the option that says Change Photo. Your phone's gallery will pop up, letting you browse through your photos. Select the image you want to use as your group's new picture. You can also take a new photo right from this screen if you'd prefer something fresh and in the moment. Once you've chosen your photo, Telegram lets you crop and adjust it to make sure it looks just right. When you're happy with how it appears, simply confirm your selection. And that's it. Your group's photo will instantly update for all members to see. It's a small change that can make your group feel more personal and inviting. So go ahead and give your Telegram group a new face. It only takes a few taps, and your group will look better than ever. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips to get the most out of Telegram.